Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Honda Odyssey key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, which will be essential for prying open the casing. Make sure you also have a new replacement battery, either a CR2025 or a CR2032, depending on your specific fob model. It's always a good idea to work on a clean, well-lit surface to prevent any small components from getting lost during the process. Let's get started. The first physical step is to remove the emergency key from your fob. Look for a small release button, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the key fob casing. Press this button firmly, and then gently pull the metal emergency key blade straight out. This action is crucial because it exposes a small slot or indentation that you will use to carefully pry open the key fob's two halves. This slot is often quite small, so pay close attention. Now, with the emergency key removed, you can begin to carefully pry open the key fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver or coin and insert it into the slot that was revealed. Gently twist the tool, applying steady and even pressure. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the casing begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if necessary, ensuring you do not force it, which could damage the plastic clips or the internal components. Once the fob is open, you will see the small circular battery. Carefully note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up, before gently prying it out. Insert your new CR2025 or CR2032 battery, ensuring it is placed in the correct direction. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back in. Test your fob to ensure it works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.